So what's up, guys? Why I have one friend, two friend, three friend, one is not my friend, and get noob. Can we go already or now, guys? Hey, you guys stop. Being so like dumb. Oh my god. Alright, let's go. Look, I'm going to fly. Goodbye, Kuro. Yeah. Look how far can I go. I just stopped. I am not touching anything. Wait, what? Wait, what? Going to win. Yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot. Ah. Oh no. It's still okay. My helicopter is still okay. Good job. Oh no. I think I'm here. Wow. GG. That was fast. I'm the only one who's not that cool. Wait, I'm stuck. Help. Help. Someone help. Yeah, my head. Ah, my leg. Okay, I'm here. Let's open the crate. Let's see what's in. We all know what's in here. Where's that? Oh, it's gold. I'm a pro. Got teleported back. Got my pro. Wait. What are you doing? Okay, I thought my sister's doing dumb stuff. Hey, yo. What should I? This one good question, huh? Wait, there's a lot of only yellow team, bruh. That's only yellow team. No, it's just yellow team only. You're not invited, boy. Hi, Baba boy. The best at DK car. The best one. This is the best one. Oh yeah. Look at this, my baby. Oh my. Oh my. Man. Oh, what's up? What's up, little dude? You're fat. That's my sister. Okay, I'm just talking. Oh help. Oh yeah, my sister punched me in the dick. What's that? Is that a red demon? Okay, that's a red demon. No one cares about those. No one like demon, that's one. And you can just get out here, noob. Not noob. Hello, what? Wait, what? What team is this? Oh, my friend's gone. What? Oh! Hello, what? Hello, join my team! Why should we? We are already a pro team. Join my team, what? He like say like, go! What the heck? Why, dude? He's like a traitor. Like this. I'm lagging still. What the heck? Oh, okay, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. He's a bully. He's a bully. He's a bully. He's a bully. Okay. He's one person is a bully. I just wanted to die. I wanted to change some team because I hate a bully. Okay. Bro, there's a bully. My own red team. Okay. I look at dream with the sword. No, die. Okay, let's keep building. Okay, guys, I will teach you how to make like the best one. This one, like I call it the best one. It's kind of easy. Oh my god, my sister's spelling. She's just a kid with. Oh hell no. Hey, first you have to. Okay, first you have to like do this. Okay, then you have to do this. Wait a minute. What? Wait, this one you only need 3. Okay, you only need 3. First you put it here. Second, oh God, she's still spelling. That's cute. I will just squish her. Just kidding, never squish a child. That's a really cute building. Oh no, wrong one. You can just use a small helicopter if you guys want it. I'm just building a small one. Okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 4. Then you put like this. Okay. Then other side you put like this. Then you have to keep doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same. 1. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same. And do the same. Okay, my mother's back home. Just saying, okay? Yeah, someone just opened the door. Okay, I have to be quiet now. Bye bye, crew.